Let's come together and decipher the secret of astrology. Let me introduce myself. I am Atesh Jain, a Jyotisha Acharya by degree, having started my astrological journey 20 years ago in the company of saints and gurus and blessings of Lord Shiva. Today I have a very important question to make. Can you predict? And what happens when this word comes to our mind? Prediction. Is it an astrological prediction, or is it any prediction related to some other science or some other study or any other school of thought? Let me take an example and discuss. One of my friends stayed at my place and he wanted to catch a flight. His flight was at 4:30 and he was leaving my house at 12 p.m. and he was sure that he would reach airport by 3 p.m. and he would have sufficient time for boarding, check-in and all those formalities. I asked him, like, these days traffic is really high. Are you sure that you will be reaching airport on time? He said, yes, why not? I have checked Google, I have checked the maps and I have taken sufficient buffer for any unexpected traffic. And he left, but with a question, how was he so sure? He is an astrologer? No, he is not. Is he any saint or guru who can make predictions? No. Then how was he so sure? When he is not an astrologer or some other forecasting personality, the only thing he was carrying with him was his experience over time, over various roads that he has traveled, or maybe one road traveled at multiple times. Turn the pages of your life and go into the deepest past, and you would find a chapter where you might have done predictions at a very young age, and that is true. You will reach school late, you have not done your homework, teacher will scold you. That prediction may or may not come true. There can be some accelerating or a catalyst that may have turned down that prediction. For example, teacher who was to scold you is absent today. Any prediction that we make, it may or may not be based on astrology. We do make predictions on day-to-day basis. There are various n number of factors. What time we are going to deliver a project, we plan the timelines, how many work hours or man days will it take to make a successful project. All these predictions we make in our day-to-day basis are not astrological. They are based on somebody's experience, some learnings that we have over time, some failures, some success scenarios. So my point is that we all predict. In my country, India, cricket is the God's game. People do make n number of predictions on day-to-day basis. This player is going to score a century today. A particular bowler will take 5 wickets haul today. This team is going to win the World Cup, or like n number of things related to that. How these predictions are coming in? Are these coming by heart? Are these coming based on some experiences? How do these predictions come? These are not astrological for sure. If you have liked the thought and you want to stay connected for future videos where we are going to deep dive into the core astrological topics related to astrology, predictional, non-predictional, mythological, stay tuned and have a great day.